Welcome to TechnoGo. OnePlus just launched their new smartphones on the market, OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro. We are going to take a look at all the new features and decide whether it's a flagship or not. So sit back, relax and get ready for a tech journey. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. The new OnePlus 8 Pro has a curved glass back with a glossy finish or a matte frosted finish. On the front is a punch-hole front-facing camera that is 3.8mm in diameter. That's a change away from the self-hiding camera on previous OnePlus devices. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset is powering this device, with up to 12GB of RAM. The battery is a 4510 mAh cell, which has wireless charging for the very first time. That's fast wireless charging too, which works at 30 watts. This is the highest spec display in the universe, according to OnePlus. It's a 6.78-inch 120Hz display with a QHD Plus resolution. What does 120Hz mean? It's the refresh rate of your screen. The average smartphone has a 60Hz display, so images on the OnePlus 8 Pro will refresh twice as fast as most other smartphones. The OnePlus 8 packs a trio of rear cameras, and for the first time in a while for the brand, one of them is not a telephoto. Like some other 2020 flagships, OnePlus basic model forgoes optical zoom for digital, leaning on its 48 megapixels main shooter and crop zooming, to simulate a telephoto effect.